Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Take out your geography books. Today we will start a new topic, which is geology of Pakistan. Now, what is meant by geology? Geology means a science which deals with the physical structure of the earth. The map of Pakistan shows 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Sarhad, which is now called as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir are its 2 administrative units. Administrative means a unit with administrative responsibilities. Now, as you can see, near to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are located Gilgit-Baltistan and Jammu and Kashmir. Geographically, Pakistan is the 36th largest country in the world. It means that it is on number 36. And it covers an area of approximately 340,508 square miles, which is equal to the combined land areas of France and United Kingdom. United Kingdom is a country in Europe. It means that when the land of Europe and France is combined together, it can make the land which is equal to Pakistan. Ranging from coastal areas of the south to the glaciated mountains of the north. Now look at the picture. These are coastal areas which are located on the edge of the Arabian Sea. So these are located in south direction. So from south to north direction, it means that from south to north, where glaciated mountains means the mountains which are covered with glaciers, hard mass of ice. Pakistan's landscapes vary from plains to desert. Landscape means the visible area, visible feature of the land. It vary means changes. It changes from plains to deserts, forests, hills and plateaus. It means that deserts have different type of land, forests have different type of lands, hills and plateaus, they all of these have different types of lands. Due to its geographical diversity means variety. It has a temperature range of -70 degrees centigrade in the highest uninhabited areas in the hilly north of the country. It means that in the hilly areas or in the north side, which are usually considered as mountainous regions, they have -70 degrees centigrade. It means that very cold, and it is usually uninhabited. It means that unpopulated, not so much population is present there, and it is highest. And plus 53 degrees, it means that in the certain parts of Sindh, which are usually the hottest part of the province of Pakistan. So it means that -70 degrees centigrade is present in north areas, in mountain regions where the temperature is very low, and 53 degrees centigrade plus 53, it means that it is the highest temperature, and it is usually present in certain parts of Sindh. It makes Pakistan one of the most diverse country. Diverse means it has varieties in the world. In terms of variety means in terms of geography, climate and temperatures. It means that in terms of temperature, weather or its physical structure, Pakistan has different type of varieties. This map shows the heights above the sea level of various regions of Pakistan. Note that more we move to the north, the greater the heights become. Now look at the picture. It means that when we go toward the north side, it means that upper. As we go higher and higher, at more height, the temperature become low. Now turn the next page, Pakistan's geographical areas. Pakistan is divided into 5 major geographical areas: Northern Highlands, Indus River Plain, Balochistan Plateau, coastal areas and desert. Now we will study about first one, the Northern Highlands. The Northern Highlands contain Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Himalayas mountain ranges. Let me show you the pictures. This is Karakoram mountain, this is Hindu Kush, and that one is Himalaya. It contains some of the world's highest peaks, including 5 of the 14 mountain peaks over 8,000 meters to 26,250 feet. For example, K2, which is the second highest peak, it is 8,611 meters, and Nanga Parbat is 8,126 meters, which attracts the adventurers and mountaineers. Adventurers are those people who enjoys adventure by visiting the mountains, and mountaineers are those people that live in the mountain regions from all over the world. Second is the Indus River. Let me first show you the picture of Indus River. This is Indus River. It covers an area of approximately 1980 miles, and its tributaries flow through the country from the Kashmir region to down south to the Arabian Sea. Now, what is meant by tributaries? Tributary is a small river or stream that flow into the larger river. Now, let me explain it. Now, look at this picture. This is Indus River, and its tributaries means Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj from Kashmir. They flow into this larger river, like they meet into the larger Indus River. Next is Balochistan Plateau. It is located in southwest region of Pakistan and mainly consists of altitude. Altitude means height from 600 to 3000 meters. As you can see here, this is Balochistan Plateau, and its location is here. So I think this is enough for today. Thank you so very much, my students. Allah Hafiz.